Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer snapper fish fillet. This turned out so delicious and it looks gorgeous as you can see. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do share healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Please make sure you also check out my other air fryer recipes. I have a playlist that I've put together for you. Thank you so much and let's jump right in. To start, we have over here a snapper fillet. This is the Pacific snapper fillet. I just picked this up from Costco. And here I have some avocado oil. And in here I have my spice blend. So I have some dried rosemary, some basil, pepper flakes. Now this is optional. If you don't want that, you can leave it out. I have some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some dried parsley. Let's put this all together. Start first by going in with the paper towel, and I'm just going to dry up any moisture that we have on our fillet. You want to make sure that you do this step if you want your fish to have that crispy crust. Make sure that any moisture on both sides is dried out. Next, I'll go in with my avocado oil in this bottle. I'm just going to spray on both sides. Just rub it in and make sure I'll flip it over on the other side and I'll repeat the process like so. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and just mix our spice blend properly, everything to combine. And I'm just going to go in and just sprinkle this on both sides. I'll just go in with my hands and just make sure that I rub this. I'll just rub it properly like this. I'm going to flip this on the other side and I'll repeat the same process. Like so, it's looking all beautiful and well coated in the seasoning. I also have my air fryer basket right there. I just sprayed some more avocado oil in there. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this in our air fryer basket and then we'll put it on to air fry. It's all ready to go in. Just gonna pop this in. I'm going to select the preset button for fish. So this is how our fish is doing after 8 minutes. Just look at that, it looks so gorgeous. Smells so good. So what I'm going to do is, it is all ready, but I just want it to crisp up a little bit. I'm just going to crank the heat up on 400 for 3 more minutes, and then it will be all good to go. 3 minutes later, just look at that. Looks so gorgeous, crispy, so good. There's no need to flip it over, just on one, just air fry on one side. That works really well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss any healthy, delicious air fryer recipes that I do share. Make sure to check out my other air fryer recipes. I have a playlist. I'm going to put that link in the description box for you. Until I come your way next time with something healthy, delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.